Hello friends, myself Professor Vaishnavi Pujari from ENTC department welcomes you all for awareness session on basics of LabVIEW, which is proficiency course and introduced you in third year. So basics of LabVIEW is basically a proficiency course. As the name suggests, it is the combination of laboratory plus view is nothing but the virtual instrument engineering workbench. So LabVIEW is a graphical programming language that uses icons instead of lines of text to create the programs. So instead of typing keywords and variables like in C++, Python or other text-based language, you can easily place and connect the visual objects around your screen. So basically graphical programming is used for test and measurement of the objectives or the instruments. So there are thousands of analysis functions are available. So LabVIEW can be used for connectivity between other languages and the industry standard protocols. So basically LabVIEW is used for the testing purpose, design validation purpose and control or monitoring the instrument or condition monitoring. So this is the structure of the basics of LabVIEW, which is the proficiency course. It having 2 hours of the practical in every week. So basics of programming and electronic device and circuits, prior knowledge is essential for it. It has no credit. So course outcomes for this basics of LabVIEW is to understand the applications of the LabVIEW virtual instrument and build basic virtual instrument for an application. So in first diagram, that is the addition of two numbers can be used by using only the blocks instead of writing the text or the variables to it. So this is the simple thing we can use. So in syllabus there are 3 chapters are included. So these are the unit contents in which introduction contains the features of the LabVIEW, installation, environment basics, fundamental tools, debugging and graphical programming and execution structures of the LabVIEW. So in next chapter, that is the data structure in LabVIEW, passing data between the loops, so chart building and application for the parameter conversion. So next unit, that is the third unit, contains that is introduction to data acquisition in VI. That is VI is nothing but the virtual instrument, it having some application. So evaluation can be done by using the some evaluation scheme, that is nothing but 8 assignments will be given. So each assignment will be for the 10 marks, which is equal to total 80 marks, and quiz for the 20 marks. So total 100 marks for the evaluation scheme and grade will be given to that student. So there are some certifications are available by which is provided by the National Instruments. Future scope, that is career opportunities, you can join company as a developer or a test engineer or programmer or design engineer in LabVIEW. So these are the industry which uses the LabVIEW. So analog devices, John Deere, Siemens, Nokia, Philips, these are the companies which uses the LabVIEW. So this is the awareness of the basics of LabVIEW. Thank you.